Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. And tonight we are here at Indoor Raceway Stevenage. I think I got that right.
You got it right that time. We've done take after that. But anyway, carry on.
Anyway, we have been here many times in the past.
Yeah.
Me running my Tamiya trucks, you running your touring cars. But
Indeed.
today we've got something a little bit different.
Yeah, we're going to be running our buggies. They're doing a buggy night now. Tuesday night is buggy night here, Indoor Raceway Stevenage. Thoroughly looking forward to it. We are racing, not modern, tonight.
No. We are racing vintage, and we've gone stock, haven't we? Hobby wing, 1060 ESC, and a 15-turn core motor.
Nice and slow, keeping it on a level playing field,
slow
mate.
As fast,
slow
as I say.
Slow as fast. Anyway, should we go and do some racing then?
Let's do this.
Come on. Why haven't you? So we've been asked to put shock protectors on, and you've again waiting till the last minute.
I didn't know that.
I told you.
Well, I fortunately I've pitted next to this wonderful bin in here.
That's good.
And in the bin I found, let me show you this, plastic bottle. And I chopped the bottom off the bottle, and now I've got some protectors. There you go. It's that simple.
Very, very good. Very resourceful.
Yeah, I should be on Blue Peter, really.
I know. So Carl's got the glorious job of testing the jump out with his slow.
They got me to do the
car.
test. This is the slowest car in the house.
It's the slow car. See if.
Oh, the power. I'll take this off so you can use it.
Here we go. Oh, please crash. Yeah, didn't tighten up your belt. Didn't tighten up the belt. Hey! So let's have a little look at the track. So we've got some really interesting features here. These little pop dots that have been stuck down. They're going to upset the car somewhat, which is what we like. Nice and challenging. We like that, but not too difficult. We've got a kicker to downward ramp there. That's just about right. If you've got to go fairly slow over that to try and land it on the downward slope. And we've got a bit of slippy over there, a little bit of lino, your mum's kitchen lino there. That's always good for, sort of a little bit of technical. And then we've got a nice little ramp over there and another little ramp there. But other than that, it's pretty standard stuff. It's nice, fairly simple, because we've got some noobs here and they only sort of raced outside and whatnot. So let's see how we go on.
Here we are on track, so Mark is just in front of me and I am close in behind. He gets caught up there by back markers and I managed to slide my way through. Now, as I say, me and Mark were running our Cougars, and the idea is we run brush tech, which keeps them down to a sort of reasonable speed and we can just coast our way around the track. And what actually happened is, well, in the first round of qualifying, I ended up fastest in the heat for vintage with the slowest car. So slow is steady definitely won the race in that example. But as you can see, Mark and I had some great battles on track. I got to start in front because I qualified highest in the first round, and I managed to just hold track position. Mark's car is crazy fast in a straight line. Definitely got more punch, more power than me. Considering we're both running the same setup, that was a little bit surprising. But you know what? We had such fun racing these cars. I really enjoy the speed of this Cougar, the way it goes round with a 15 turn in it. It's really simple to drive because there's not too much torque, too much power. It's not lifting up the front wheels, which means it maintains sort of weight over those front wheels, and I can turn in and I wasn't having any issues with grip on the slippy. I was able to hold a line, kind of hold the middle of the track really, and defend from Mark behind. There you go, he's tried to have a little go up the inside, but he lost his back wheels on the slippy a little bit. But again, I'm back out in front, in control, and it's really a case of last man standing on this one. Who is going to buckle first? And this battle that we had on track went on and on and on, and we were chuckling to ourselves up on the rostrum. I probably chuckling a little bit more than Mark, because Mark doesn't like to lose, being that he's the pro racer. But for me, club racing is all about this. It's having fun with your mates, and having close battles on the track. But there you go. Mark is the first one to have an incident. Curse of the back markers, and I just slowly weave my way through the traffic. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sorting out my values.
You can't sort out values on a 1060 ESC. That's
Us pros, we've got to do it the proper way, haven't we?
unbelievable.
'Success! I had a clean run on that one, so I'm happy now.
You're a bender, you are. You cheated, because I was beating you. So there we go, the first night at Indoor Raceway Stevenage. Fantastic bunch of people, fantastic track. This club is only going to get bigger and better. Looking forward to heading back down there again. I think I'm going to stick with the vintage and run my Cougar. I am going to stick with stock. I'm not going to be making changes to it just yet. But if you're interested, links in the description down below. Like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you trackside soon.